Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is the Strait of Hormuz, the sword at history's throat. Open the world map and trace a line just 33 kilometers long, yet it's the passage through which enough oil flows to script the fate of the entire globe, especially for countries like Pakistan. This is the Strait of Hormuz, the sword poised at history's jugular. If the Strait of Hormuz were sealed tomorrow morning, half the world's nation would be on their knees within days. The question is, why hasn't that sword fallen yet? Not every war is fought with guns. Some wars are fought over routes, and the most perilous route on earth is this one. Three superpowers, one narrow strait, and a threat that rattles the world. We will shut down the strait. Yet to this day, no one ever has. Why? If the Strait of Hormuz closes, the world could grind to a halt. But for 70 years, through every war, every threat, why has it never actually closed? We will uncover the answers to all these questions in this video with references linked in the description. On the world map lies a place only 33 kilometers wide, yet its strategic weight dwarf nation that stretch to thousands of miles. It's named the Strait of Hormuz. It connects the Persian Gulf to a Arabian Sea, and 20% of the world's oil transits these waters every single day. But this strait is not merely a waterway, it is a battlefield where history itself has clashed. In 1951, when Iranian Prime Minister Dr. Mossadegh nationalized the oil fields, Britain threatened military intervention. Iran fight back, we will close the strait. The United States stepped in and Mossadegh's government was toppled. That was the first time the world learned a brutal lesson. Whoever tamper with the strait will find his own throne overturned. Then from 1980 to 1988, the Iran-Iraq was unleashed the tanker war. Both sides struck more than 500 oil tankers. On July 3, 1988, the US mistakenly shot down an Iranian passenger jet, killing 290 people that same day. Iran declared, now we will close the strait. Yet it remained open. Why? Because the US Fifth Fleet was already there. The Tehran knew that choking the oil would choke its own lifeline. 90% of Iran's oil exits through that same narrow throat. By 2100, the era had shifted and so had the weapons. Iran launched drones that crippled Saudi oil fields, and crude prices skipped 20% in a day. Still, the strait stayed open. Now, in April 2026, the story is unchanged and the actors are the same. Only the weapons are new. US Marines are poised to seize islands while Iran wields hypersonic missiles. The threat echoes again. We will shut it down. If the Strait of Hormuz were actually shut down for just 7 days, which country do you think would collapse first and why? Drop your answer in the comments. And If this video opened your eyes to how a 33-kilometer stretch of water controls the world, like it, share it, and send it to someone who thinks wars are only fought with bullets. Thank you for watching.